7 great resistance band exercises. Do each moves 8 to 12 times. 1. Row to kick back. Works your back, core, and triceps. 2. Reverse lunge to curl. Strengthens your glutes, hips, thighs, and biceps. 3. Push up. Good for your chest and arms. 4. Deadlift. Strengthens your hamstrings, glutes, and core. 5. Overhead press. Exercises your shoulders and triceps. 6. Pull down. Works the lats in your back. 7. Front squat. Good for your butt, hips, and quads. See you in the next video. Subscribe to stay healthy with our health educational videos, tips and updates. Public Health Channel.